And how are you? I miss you so much. I'm here today to explain your maths activity, which is called partitioning with hundreds, tens, and units. So partitioning is a very important technique that can help you to do additions and subtractions, and also help you with mental maths. The learning intention of this activity is to identify numbers using place value and to practice addition by partitioning. You'll be successful in the end of this activity if you understand how to break three-digit numbers into hundreds, tens, and units, and also if you can add hundreds, tens, and units to form a three-digit number. So let's see the exercise here with some examples to help you. First, you need to click here in the green button, which is written Add Response. Then you select your name. Then here, the first exercise is just an example with concrete materials, just to remember you which things are units, tens, and hundreds. So I know you are doing very well in maths, so I will just pass very fast here. So here is asking you to see how many hundreds, so 200s, how many tens, 4 tens, and how many units, so 5 units. And then you need to write down the total number that this represents. So 200s, 4 tens, and 5 units is the same of 245. And here there is another exercise for you to do in this model. Now when you finish, you come here to the second page in the right side of the activity, because exercise will get a little bit more challenging. Now we don't have concrete material to help us. It's only abstract now. What you need to do in the second page is to see the number here. So let's do the first example. 372. You need to write down how many hundreds. So 300 is 300. 70 is 7 tens. And how many units? 2 units. So 372 is the same of 300, 7 tens, and 2 units. Now you need to do the same thing for the other numbers. When you finish, you go to the third page, because here is the real challenge for this activity. Here, you need to break these numbers into hundreds, tens, and units and add them. So let's do the first example. 457. How can we break in hundreds, tens, and units? So it's the same of 457. So I can break 457 into 400 plus 50 plus 7. Now you need to do the same thing for the other numbers, for 768, 915, and 302. Then when you finish, there is the fourth page and the last page, the fifth page. When you finish off this exercise, you click here on the green button. So then you can send this activity to us to check. And if you have any question, any doubt, you can also record a message on Seesaw, and I will be glad to listen to the message and try to help you, okay? I hope you enjoy this activity and that you can practice a little bit of partitioning. Bye bye, grade 1.